Hi, and welcome to my video, Cursive Writing for Lefties. I would like to show you the paper that we're using. It's called Manuscript Paper. It's for 2nd and 3rd grade students, and it starts with a blue line at the top, a solid blue line, a dotted blue line in the middle, and a red line at the bottom. These 3 lines help the students to gauge how big to make their letters. Okay? So, left-handed students have to write at an angle. So you want to angle your manuscript paper when you start. The first letters we're going to learn how to write are capital cursive A's and lowercase cursive A's. So when you hold your pencil, you want your pointer finger and your index finger surrounding the pencil, and then you want your thumb on the pencil to stabilize so that you can move it in various different ways. Now, your cursive letters are supposed to have slants to them. They're going to slant like this on the paper. They should all have a slant. Now, mind you, when you learn how to write your cursive letters, later you'll be able to incorporate your own way of writing your cursive letters. Cursive is just a way of connecting all the letters instead of writing them in block form. So, the first one is the capital A that we will write. You start just below that blue line at the top, just below it, and then you want to curve up to it and meet it. Then you want to curve down at a slant. Same slant, just like those lines. And then you want to curve down to the red line and curve up. Go up to meet where you first started. And then you want to come back down and trace that line a little bit. Curve down to the red line again and make your tail. And stop at the dotted line. Now this part of the letter is called the tail, and that's what we mean. When I say tail, that's exactly what I mean. So if you notice, the line and the cursive letter is at a slant, just like my slanted lines. Okay, so I'm going to show you that again. Cursive capital A. Start right below the solid blue line. You want to curve up to the solid blue line, meet it, and then curve down at a slant. Then you want to curve down to the red line, meet it, curve back up, meet where you first started your line, right there. Then you want to come back down, trace that line a little bit, curve back down to the red line, curve up to the blue line, and you're done. Okay? One more time, let's do that. Right below the solid blue line at the top is where we start. You want to curve up to the red line, the blue line. Curve up to the blue line, meet it, curve down at a slant, start to curve down to the red line, go back up, meet where you first started, trace that line down, curve at the bottom red line again, curve up, and stop at your dotted line. Now notice, your cursive A's look more like ovals. They don't look like circles. They're more oval. So keep that in mind when you're forming your capital letter A's. Now, for our lowercase A's, you want to still have the same type of slant going on with your lowercase A's. Start right below, this time, the dotted blue line. And you curve up and meet the dotted blue line, curve down at an angle, curve down and meet the red line, curve back up, meet where you started, curve down again to the red line, and make your tail. Let's do that again. Start right below the dotted blue line, curve up to the dotted blue line, slant down to the solid red line, curve back up and meet your line where you first started, trace back down your line a little bit, curve at the red line, and curve back up and stop at the dotted blue line. Okay, so as you can see, your lowercase a's look pretty much like your capital A's, except they're half as big. Okay, so let me show you what I mean. Your capital A looks like this. You go from the top line all the way down to the red line. Okay, and your lowercase a, you start right below the blue dotted line, curve down to the red line, so you see they kind of look similar. So keep practicing. Practice all of your capital A's and then practice your lowercase a's. The more you practice, the better they'll look. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you with the next video, which will be cursive, capital B, and lowercase b. Bye.